What if the next war isn't fought by soldiers alone, but by AI, drones, and hypersonic weapons moving faster than sound? In 2026, the US military isn't preparing for yesterday's battles. It's building the future of warfare, and some of these technologies are already active. From drone swarms to next-gen aircraft carriers, here are the top 5 US military technologies changing warfare right now, and how they directly impact America's global power. 1. High-powered drone swarms. Imagine hundreds of drones flying together like a flock of birds, but each one powered by artificial intelligence. The US military is heavily investing in AI drone swarm technology, allowing drones to coordinate automatically, identify threats, adapt mid-mission without human control. This reduces risk to American troops and makes operations faster and more precise. The future battlefield: smarter, faster, autonomous. 2. Hypersonic missiles. Speed wins wars, and hypersonic missiles travel at over 5 times the speed of sound. The US is testing next-generation hypersonic systems that strike in minutes, evade traditional missile defenses, change global deterrence strategy. For American defense strategy, this means faster response and stronger global positioning. 3. Next-gen aircraft carriers and strike groups. Aircraft carriers are floating cities, and America has the most powerful navy in the world. New upgrades include advanced radar systems, improved missile defense, integration with AI and drone aircraft. Carrier strike groups remain the backbone of US global presence from the Pacific to the Middle East. 4. Directed energy weapons. Laser weapons. Bullets are old school. Lasers are the future. The US Navy is deploying laser-based defense systems that shoot down drones, intercept small missiles, cost far less per shot than traditional weapons. Instead of spending thousands per missile, lasers fire at the speed of light, dramatically lowering long-term costs. 5. Space and cyber warfare expansion. Modern war isn't just on land, sea, or air, it's in space and cyberspace. The US Space Force protects satellites, GPS systems, military communication networks. At the same time, cyber warfare units defend against hacking attacks targeting power grids, financial systems, and defense infrastructure. In today's world, digital security equals national security. The battlefield is evolving and America is investing billions to stay ahead. But here's the question: which technology do you think will define the next war? AI drones, hypersonic missiles, or cyber warfare? Comment below and subscribe for more US military updates explained simply.